What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. But if you're invested into stocks, you might not be having a great day today as we saw the market crash. Today, we're going to be talking about NIO, Workhorse, and all the EV stocks and why they're falling today. Stay tuned. So we can see NIKOLA was down 6.3%, NIO 4.5%, and Workhorse down 8.1%. Hence why I put Workhorse in the title of this video and why it's my main point on what we're going to talk about today. So simply put, why did these stocks fall? Well, it's because people are unloading volatile stocks. This market right now is going nuts. And it doesn't really make sense. Why? Because the coronavirus is hitting new concerns that is making people worried. And we see they're unloading all their volatile stocks due to that big news. The U.S. reported nearly 61,000 new cases on Sunday, down slightly from recent totals, but up from a week prior. People are scared not only that the coronavirus is coming back, but due to who is going to be elected as a president. We see if Donald Trump gets elected, it will make taxes maybe lower or be the same. We see if Joe Biden gets elected, taxes, capital gains tax, and all these taxes are going to go up. Now, I'm not going to get into politics here because that's not what my channel is about, but that does affect us in the stock market because we can see so many people unloading these stocks right before this election. And on top of that, the coronavirus really doesn't help that. We can see all these stocks, not just EV stocks, crashing today. So now we ask ourselves, now what? Well, NIO is expected its third quarter report in mid-November, and it should be an upbeat presentation. NIO sales were up very strongly in the quarter after a successful secondary offering. Lordstown Motors, which just went public in a deal that raised over $600 million. Sorry for the quick break, guys, but I just wanted to say, please subscribe. 98% of you guys aren't subscribed, and I really appreciate it if you smash that like button and that subscribe button so I can bring you more videos like this. All right, now, enough of this. Back to the video. Like Workhorse, they have a 10% stake in Lordstown Motors. So my advice to you guys, if you own these stocks, is maybe not to sell them and to wait and see what happens with the election and the coronavirus. And I also want to let you guys know, if you are afraid of losing money, then you shouldn't be in the stock market at all. Because any money you put in the stock market, you should feel like, if I lose it all, am I going to be okay? Some of you are risking your life savings on some of these stocks, thinking that you are going to get rich off them. Invest like an investor. Do not invest to try and make all this capital when you have really no idea how the stock market works or what stocks you're investing in. So I would be very careful on investing in certain stocks with this market. But I want to say also, it could be a very good time to buy if you know that the company is worth buying. I like Workhorse. I think it's a great buy right now, especially with the USPS contracts, but that's my opinion. I am no financial advisor, and I do not recommend that you take my opinion, but maybe take something from it and then go do your own research and make your decision off of other people's opinions as well. As we saw, the stock market is not doing well, but it's expected in these times. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. 92% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed, so make sure you smash that subscribe button. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.